Good morning, dear students. Let us start the class with Brahmanath. Shanti. Swastha. We had completed the two paragraphs in the previous classes. In the two paragraphs, we have studied what is the rule of the road, what is road safety week, and how is it observed by the people, and why is it observed, why is it necessary to observe road safety week, etc. And now we will discuss what we have studied with some question and answers. First question is, what do you mean by road safety week? Road safety week is an awareness program for the safety of the people on the road. How is road safety of the people? It is road safety week is the safety of the people from roadside injuries and deaths who run the risk of injury or death on the road, especially the pedestrians, motorists, cyclists and passengers run the risk of the injury and death on the road. What is Road Safety Week aimed at? Road Safety Week is aimed at raising public awareness about traffic rules and reduce road accidents, and to help people to save their lives. Who observes Road Safety Week? The government, many charitable organizations, non-government agencies and private firms across the country organize Road Safety Week. So let us read the next point, the third point of the lesson. Look at your books and follow the reading. Road Safety Week is organized every year in the month of January by the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways of India. The week is celebrated with great interest and enthusiasm every year in major cities like Delhi, Bangalore, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, Baroda, Pune, Bhubaneswar, Hyderabad and Chandigarh, etc. People are encouraged about how to drive on road by organizing a variety of programs related to the road safety. During the whole week of this campaign, a variety of educational banners, safety posters, safety films, pocket guides and leaflets are distributed to the on-road travelers. In cities, efforts are made to raise public awareness about traffic rules, signs and cautions which should be taken while on road. Many schools and colleges voluntarily take part in the campaign. The local authorities also organize a thorough checkup of drivers and motorcyclists to send a strong message of zero tolerance against drunken driving and other safety violations. Commuters are explained about traffic rules and signs as well as the cautions they should take on road. Various paintings and drawing competitions, road safety announcements, exhibitions, tests of road rules, debates on selected themes, besides workshops, seminars, and other related activities are organized. Free medical checkup camp and driving training workshops are also organized for the drivers. This is the third paragraph of the lesson, the Road Safety Week. I have collected some of the difficult words from this point. Before discussing the meanings of the difficult words, I would advise you to read the paragraph once. Thank you very much. And now we will discuss the meanings of the difficult words collected from the point. Major cities means big cities or important cities. The opposite word of major is minor. Celebrated, a verb use, means observed. An example, my birthday is celebrated among my friends and family members. Next word is enthusiasm, a strong feeling of excitement and interest. See an example, the students took part in the Independence Day parade with great enthusiasm. Variety, different types. Example, variety of dresses are shown to us in the shop. Efforts, an attempt or try. All his efforts proved fruitful in the result. Organize, to arrange. The NCC students organized an eye camp in our school. Take part means involve or participate. I have taken part several times in the school drama. Campaign means a series of planned activities to fulfill social aim. Zero tolerance means no excuse or no patience. Commuters means daily travelers, the passengers, the people who travel daily for their daily work. They are called commuters. Violations, breaking of law. These are the meanings of difficult words collected from the third point of the lesson, the Road Safety Week. Now I would advise you to read the paragraph silently once. Very good. Now see, we will discuss line by line. Road Safety Week is organized every year in the month of January by the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways of India. Ministry of Road Transport and Highways of India organizes Road Safety Week in the month of January every year. The week is celebrated with great interest and enthusiasm every year in major cities. The week is Road Safety Week is organized every year with great interest and enthusiasm in major cities like Delhi, Bangalore, Mumbai, Chennai, Calcutta, Baroda, Pune, Bhubaneswar, Hyderabad and Chandigarh, etc. People are encouraged about how to drive on the road by organizing a variety of programs related to road safety. A variety of programs, different types of programs are organized in this week to encourage the people how to drive on the road, okay, how to be safe on the road. During the whole week of this campaign, a variety of educational banners. During this campaign, a variety of educational banners, safety posters, safety films, pocket guides, and leaflets are distributed on the on-road travelers, the people who travel on the road. They are distributed such messages on road safety through educational banners, safety posters, safety films, pocket guides, and leaflets. Pocket guide means a guideline will be given, printed guideline to keep in the pocket, just like a pocket diary. In cities, efforts are made to raise public awareness about traffic rules. In cities, towns, efforts are made to raise public awareness, to encourage, to create an awareness among the people. Such campaigns are organized about traffic rules, signs, traffic signs, and cautions. Cautions means dangerous instructions are given through the different types of signs, that is called cautions, which should be taken while on road. Many schools and colleges voluntarily take part in this campaign. They feel the importance of the road safety week, so voluntarily many college and school students take part in this campaign. The local authorities also organize a thorough check of drivers and motorcyclists to send a strong message of zero tolerance against drunken driving and other safety violations. Some people, when violate the rules of the road, the local authorities, just like the Tahsildar, BDO, and police SP, etc., they make a thorough check-up during this week, road safety week, and they send a strong message of zero tolerance against drunken driving. The drivers who drive their vehicles drinking wine, a zero tolerance message is being sent, and strong action is being taken against such drivers. Commuters are explained about traffic rules and signs as well as the cautions they should take on the road. Commuters, daily wagers who travel regularly on the road, they are explained about traffic rules. They also obey the traffic rules and signs as well as the cautions they should take on the road. They are also explained by the authorities to follow the rules, signs and cautions while they are on the road. Various painting and drawing competition, road safety announcements, exhibitions, test of road rules, debates on selected themes, besides workshops, seminars and other related activities are organized. In order to aware the people, so many competitions are organized, just like announcements, safety announcements, exhibitions, drawing competition, painting competition, test of road rules and debates on selected themes, workshops, seminars are organized to make the people aware of the rules. Free medical checkup camp and driving training workshops are also organized for the drivers. During this week, free medical checkup camps And driving training workshops are also organized, and drivers are trained how to drive their vehicles safely on the road. I have collected some of the questions for you from this third point. When is Road Safety Week organized? Road Safety Week is organized in the month of January. Who observes it? Ministry of Road Transport and Highways of India observes the Road Safety Week, supported by different organizations. Where is it observed? It is observed, Road Safety Week is observed in major cities like Delhi, Bangalore, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, Baroda, Pune, Bhubaneswar, Hyderabad, and Chandigarh, etc. What are distributed to the on-road travelers? Educational banners, safety posters, and safety films are shown. Pamphlets are distributed to the on-road travelers. This is the third point we have discussed today. In the next class, we will read the other points of the lesson. Thank you very much.